Pricing strategy for a gadget. You are a business manager for a company selling a new electronic gadget. Your goal is to determine the optimal price and units sold combination to maximize profit. Variables in play, price per unit. These are the given prices per unit. The units sold, cost per unit, which is $40 and it's a constant. The challenge is to see how do price and sales volume changes affect overall profit. Problem objective: to forecast profit based on different combinations of price and units sold. You want to understand how each price change impacts profit, how sales volume affects profit. Use Excel's what if analysis with a data table to calculate the profit for each combination. Why use what if analysis? A two-variable data table allows you to instantly calculate profit for all combinations of price and units sold without manually changing values. What are the benefits? Quickly test different price and quantity scenarios, save time by automating calculations, spot trends or most profitable combinations at a glance. So this Excel file we are going to use to do the what if analysis. The price per unit is $50. Number of units is sold is $1,000 and cost per unit is $40. So here in this cell, you see the formula B3 minus D3 times C3, which means price per unit minus the cost per unit times the unit sold is the total profit. So in this case, the price per unit is $50 and the cost per unit is $40. So 50 minus 40 is $10. 10 times number of units sold is 1,000, which is going to give you $10,000 of profit. That is the formula. So we are going to use what if analysis data table to figure out the combinations, to figure out the result for each combination. For example, if it is 1,000 units sold and $50, here you will see a profit of $10,000. What will be the result if it's 2,000 units sold and $50 of price? What will be the result or what will be the profit if it is 4,000 units and $75 of price per unit? So we will figure out all the results of the combination. The way we can do it is first you are going to select all the cells. So notice from where did I start selecting? From here, which shows the formula for this. So if you click on here, see the highlighted cells. So these cells are used to calculate this. So you are going to start selecting from here and select all the way to here, which is the last combination of 5,000 units and $150 of price per unit. Next, go to data, go to what if analysis, and then data table. Row input cell. So row input cell is 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. So those are the number of units sold. Row input cell, I am going to select this one, C3. Column input cell. Column input cell is the price per unit. So we are going to try different combinations for different prices. For example, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150. So this is the price per unit. So you're going to select this cell. That is the column input cell. Then press OK. So we already have the results. So just to check, again, cross-check that for price of $50 per unit and number of units sold is 1,000, we are supposed to get a profit of $10,000. Are we getting that? Yes. See, for 1,000 units and for $50 price, we are getting $10,000 profit. So just like that, all the combinations are filled in. So this is how you can get the results for all the combinations for data analysis. So let's interpret the results. Look at how profit changes as prices and quantities change. Insights. As the price per unit increases, the profit generally increases as well, assuming sales hold. So if you start from this one, the top left to the bottom right, see the profits increase. The highest profit is achieved with 5,000 units sold at $150, resulting in $550,000 in profit. However, as price increases, selling fewer units also yields higher profits. For example, $125 with 3,000 units yields a respectable profit of $255,000. So which is this combination. This helps you identify the most profitable price and quantity combinations to focus on. Now, one thing here, you have to remember that this is a theoretical concept, but practically when you increase the price from $50 to $150, fewer and fewer units will be sold. So maybe these cases, so for $150, selling 3,000 units, 4,000 units, 5,000 units may not be possible. So for $150, the highest you can go is 2,000 units sold. Because if the price is that high, fewer customers will want to buy it. So the combination may end here and you won't get that result for 3,000, 4,000, and 5,000. So in practical scenario, you have to find the optimal combination which gives you the highest profit. Why data tables are so powerful? Efficiency. Quickly test multiple combinations without manually entering each one. Clarity. Get a complete picture of how changes in price and sales affect profit. Saves time. Avoid manual recalculations for every scenario. Better decisions. Easily spot trends and pick the best strategy for pricing and sales volume. Excel's what-if analysis and data tables make complex forecasting fast and easy. You can instantly see the impact of different price and quantity combinations on profit. This leads to better decision-making in pricing and strategies and business forecasts. Try using this method for your own products or services to optimize pricing strategies.